Hey, Wanderlust warriors and tech-savvy explorers! Are you ready to ditch the tourist traps and embark on an unforgettable adventure? Whether you're scaling snow-capped peaks, diving into turquoise waters, or navigating bustling cityscapes, having the right travel gadgets can be the difference between a seamless journey and a tech-fueled disaster. So, fasten your virtual seatbelts as we unveil the top 5 travel gadgets that will transform you from a clueless tourist to a confident global citizen. Gadget number 1, the Powerhouse Pocket, portable chargers. Imagine this, you're halfway through capturing that breathtaking sunset or deep in the throes of a nail-biting travel vlog and bam, dead battery. The horror. Let's banish this travel nightmare with the mighty portable charger. But choosing the right one isn't a walk in the park. We're talking high capacity. Think 10,000 milliamp hours or more, multiple USB ports for simultaneous charging, and the ability to juice up everything from your phone to your camera. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 milliamp hour ticks all these boxes, offering compact size, lightning-fast charging, and enough power to keep your devices humming throughout your adventures. Bonus tip. Pack a mini solar panel charger for eco-conscious adventurers who want to harness the sun's power on the go. Gadget number 2, Peace in the Noise, noise-canceling headphones. Picture this, you're trying to catch some shut-eye on a transatlantic flight, but the symphony of crying babies and chatty passengers threatens to shatter your dreams. Enter the glorious realm of noise-canceling headphones. These tech marvels create a personalized oasis of tranquility, blocking out ambient sounds like a night deflecting dragonfire. Sony's WH-1000XM4 headphones are a popular choice, boasting superior noise cancellation, crystal clear audio, and comfortable design for extended wear. Imagine sinking into your favorite audiobook or meditation app, undisturbed by the chaos around you. Pure bliss. Bonus tip. Look for headphones with transparency mode to let in essential sounds like announcements or conversations when needed. Gadget number 3, the Plug Whisperer, universal travel adapters. No adventure is complete without the fear of incompatible power outlets. Don't get stranded with useless electronics. A universal travel adapter is your passport to global connectivity. Think multiple adapter heads to fit a plethora of sockets, built-in surge protection for peace of mind, and compact size for easy packing. The Best Tech Universal Travel Adapter covers over 150 countries, ensuring your devices stay powered up wherever your wanderlust takes you. No more scrambling for the right plug or sacrificing precious charging time. Just seamless power wherever you roam. Bonus tip. Research the specific power plug types and voltage requirements of your destination countries beforehand. Gadget number 4. Speak Friend and Enter, universal translators. Lost in translation? Not anymore. Bridge the language barrier with a universal translator, your digital Rosetta Stone for navigating foreign lands. These handy devices use text-to-speech and speech-to-text translation, with some even offering real-time conversation translation. Imagine ordering your favorite dish with confidence, asking for directions like a local, or having meaningful conversations with new friends, all without fumbling through phrasebooks. The Google Pixel Buds offer on-the-go translation in over 40 languages, making them a convenient and discreet option for language-loving explorers. Bonus tip. Download offline translation apps for areas with limited internet access. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language. A little effort goes a long way. Gadget number 5. Memories underwater, waterproof action cameras. Dive into the action without fear. Capture every adrenaline-pumping moment, from underwater escapades to dusty desert treks, with a waterproof action camera. These rugged warriors are built to withstand the elements, so you can film breathtaking underwater scenes, record your epic hikes, or capture hilarious wipeouts on the slopes, all without worrying about water damage. GoPro's Hero 8 Black is a versatile option with high-quality video stabilization and a variety of mounting options, letting you capture your adventures from every angle.
Bonus tip: invest in a waterproof case for additional protection and easy underwater filming. Explore editing apps to create stunning travel videos to share with friends and family. Guess what we have for you? The bonus gadget. Stay connected on the go. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots. Imagine exploring a bustling market in Marrakesh, but you can't haggle for that perfect souvenir because your phone lacks internet access. Or picture yourself trying to document your awe-inspiring trek through the Himalayas, but you're stuck offline with no way to share your experience. Enter the game-changing portable Wi-Fi hotspot, your gateway to staying connected around the globe. These pocket-sized wonders create a personal Wi-Fi network that you can connect your devices to using the cellular data signal from your phone. This means staying in touch with loved ones on social media, navigating with online maps, and even checking emails for work updates, all without relying on unreliable public Wi-Fi. The RAVPower FileHub Plus is a reliable hotspot that can connect up to 10 devices simultaneously, ensuring everyone in your travel group stays connected. Bonus tip: choose a hotspot with long battery life to avoid the dreaded connection lost message. Consider purchasing a local SIM card for your destination country for potentially cheaper data rates. Beyond the gadgets, pro tips for tech-savvy travelers. While gadgets can enhance your travels, remember they're tools, not the ultimate travel experience. Here are some pro tips to truly embrace the journey. Pack strategically. Consider the weight and size of each gadget, opting for multifunctional devices to minimize your tech load. Invest in quality. Cheap gadgets might fail you when you need them most. Choose reliable brands with good warranties. Do your research. Understand the power outlet standards and data connectivity options in your destinations to avoid surprises. Embrace the local culture. Don't get glued to your screen. Disconnect occasionally to engage with the people, places, and experiences around you. Be mindful of data usage. Roaming charges can be expensive. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible, and consider purchasing local data plans for extended stays. Remember, the most important gadget you have is your sense of adventure. So, pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and let these tech tools empower you to create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Hey explorers, that's it for our top travel gadgets for the tech-savvy adventurer. I hope this equips you to conquer any travel challenge and document your journey in style. Remember, the world is your oyster, so go out there, explore, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite travel gadget and why you love it. Subscribe for more travel tech tips and destination guides. Share this video with your fellow Wanderlust warriors.